Problem making a wig? Try this. This cap is a lifesaver. It will make your wig making a lot easier. This is a 2-in-1 lace frontal wig cap. It's been designed with a 13x4 lace frontal. At the front and at the sides, you've got additional hairs added to it. Similar to a 360 frontal wig, but you have a lot more space to add your weft. Let's take a closer look at this amazing 2-in-1 frontal cap. This particular wig that I'm showing you, the hair is body wave and is a free parting wig, so you can part it anywhere. Now, do you remember I told you that it's got a 13x4 frontal attached to it? That is what makes this wig exceptionally amazing, because you get a longer parting space. And I don't know if I mentioned that it comes with a natural hairline. As you can see, the hairline looks gorgeous. It has been pre-plucked for you to the right amount of plucking. We do not encourage over plucking on this channel. I hate it. I like all of my wigs to look natural, and all the wigs that we supply looks natural as well. One of the special features about this frontal cap are the hairs that has been added on the sides. Now, these hairs have been added strand by strand. They are the key to hiding the weft on your wig. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how you can look more natural wearing your wig. Remember, this is the only channel dedicated to lace wigs. When you sew your hair in the middle area, that extra hair on the sides is going to hide your weft, making it undetectable. The other good thing about this wig is the baby hairs all around your wig. You don't have to waste time in creating your own baby hairs. It's been done for you already. This is the inside of the cap. Now you can clearly see how long the parting space is with the frontal. Like I mentioned, it's 13x4 frontal. I did make another video showing you the same cap design but in a closure wig cap. So it's a 2-in-1 closure wig cap. The closure wig cap comes with a 4x4 parting space. So it's literally just for the middle. If you like your middle parting, or if you want a permanent parting on your side, then we can also make the cap for a side parting as well. I had so many people asking me to make a lace frontal wig cap, so we have been working extremely hard in our factory to produce this for you. This cap can come in any hairstyle. You can have it in silky straight, yaki, deep curls, curly, kinky, whatever is your preference, we can custom make it for you. Let me know in the comment section below if you've had difficulties in you making your own lace frontal wig, because this cap will definitely help you. All our lace frontal wigs are made from this 2-in-1 wig cap. Watch these videos I made for you for more lace frontal wig tips. I will see you there.